Hello student, now today in this session of business studies, we will be going to discuss some of the points of importance of management. We are talking about the management, that why the management is important in any organization. Because we know this thing that without management, we are not in the position to achieve the goals of the organization which we have desired. So, why management plays an important role in any organization? This we can explain with the help of the few points. The points like when we are talking about management, it helps us in providing the maximum result with the minimum resources. Whatever resources are available to us, we are making the use of those resources in the best possible manner so that we can get the maximum output or the result by making the use of those resources in an effective and efficient manner. So this is what is being done by management, because only a good management or the sound management can do this thing, that they can get the good results out of the resources which they have, or they can get the best possible result from the available resources. Then we talk about that management, it helps in achieving the group goal as well as the personal goals of the individual. Because sometimes there is a problem in the organization when there is no harmony taking place between the employees and the employers. Okay? So when the employers and the employees are not having a harmonious relationship, then the problem takes place and the organization is not able to achieve the objectives. So management sees this thing that there should be a proper coordination between the two groups, and when the interest or the objective of one group is achieved, then automatically the objective of the another group will be achieved. If the organizational goals are achieved, then definitely the personal goals of the individuals will also be achieved, and they will also get the benefit of this thing. Then comes economic growth. The economic growth also take place, because if there is a good management, then definitely we will be seeing the growth in the organization. Because nowadays it is not like that growth is taking place due to the technology only, the machineries only, or the education or the money. It is the systematic management, the policies of the management, the creativeness of the management, which is also the main reason behind that the economic growth of organization will take place, because the management takes the right decision at the right time, and so there is a growth of the organization. Then comes system. Management has replaced the system in place of the traditional approach of rule of thumb. Rule of thumb की approach को हटाकर they have tried to accomplish the task with a particular system. एक सिस्टम के थ्रू किसी भी चीज़ को अचीव करने की कोशिश की जाती है, नॉट अ रूल ऑफ थंब. ट्रेडिशनली कई बार हम ये नहीं सोचते थे कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस है या कोई सिलेक्शन ऑफ कैंडिडेट का प्रोसीजर है, वी वर फॉलोइंग द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. ठीक है, चल रहा है, सिलेक्शन ऑफ कैंडिडेट हुआ, ठीक है, 4 आदमी चाहिए हमारे को, किसी को भी लाइए, रख लीजिए. नहीं, अब हम सिलेक्शन कैसे करते हैं? वी सिलेक्ट द पर्सन बाय गोइंग थ्रू द वेरियस टेस्ट through which we can measure the skill of that person, that whether this person is fit enough for doing the particular job in the organization or not. So they have replaced the system with rule of thumb. उन्होंने सिस्टम को रिप्लेस किया है, रूल ऑफ थंब नहीं चलता है. देन द मैनेजमेंट दे ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट द इन्वेस्टर्स इंटरेस्ट. अब यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टर का इंटरेस्ट कैसे प्रोटेक्ट होता है? तो मैनेजमेंट they see this thing that the investor, if he has invested the money in the organization, if he has taken the shares of the company or the debentures which are being issued by the company, so the shareholders and the debenture holders should get the proper return on their investment, and the proper return on the investment will be given to these shareholders and debenture holder only when the money which we have taken from them, okay, is being invested in the proper manner. अगर हमने उनसे जो पैसा लिया है हम उस पैसे को सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते हैं या गलत जगह लगा देंगे, या वी विल make the use of that money in such a venture or such a project which is not giving us the proper return, so then definitely the interest of the investor will not be safeguarded. So it is the duty or the responsibility of the management to see all this thing, that the investors are getting the proper returns on their investment. Then only they will show some trust, faith and confidence in the organization, and they will always be ready to serve the organization by investing more and more money in the organization. So this thing will be done by the management. That is one part of the management is there, that is the financial management. Then management, it creates or generates a dynamic organization. Management helps in creating or generating the dynamism in the organization, because every time there are changes in the business environment. So with the changes in the business environment, the management also sees this thing that we have to adapt ourselves with those changes. So the policies which are being made by the management or the plans which are being made by the management should be according to the changes in the business environment, and if there is any change in the business environments, the plans and policies should be immediately changed so that it can be adapted with the changes which are taking place in the business environment. So in this manner we can see that why the management is most important in any organization, because the success of any organization, it depends on the good management skills. Hope you understand the topics which have been discussed by me or explained by me in this session, and now you will be very clear with the concept that what is the importance of management in any organization. Thank you and have a nice